In this series, you're going to learn how I approach the seated guard or butterfly guard, sit-up guard. And we're going to look at a drill that you're going to use to keep your back off the ground. And then you're going to learn how to do an arm drag, the right timing of the arm drag to catch the back and lock into the shoulder, which is going to help you control and secure that back. And then you can start working your chokes. All right, so most of you watching are not subscribed to my channel yet. I don't know why. If you want to like dominate and control your training partners and make them frustrated because they can't get a grip on you, you should subscribe right now. Here. I can go here with this, I can go here with this. But this is a very strong stopping your forward momentum and keep my back from getting on the ground. Position. It's a big triangle. So we start here and we just want our person to try to push our body. We want the person to put our back on the ground. Try to put my back on the ground. It's like you're fighting this, and I'm keeping you at bay, all right? Whatever shoulder is present giving you the problem, it can be on the same side, it can be cross-body. It's really what feels best to you. I like going cross, so do the front too. All right, just find the shoulders. All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1. All right. So look, you gotta protect your head. You gotta protect your head. Your horn, right? Your rhino, as I call it. I put that right in the armpit. And look, if he does wrap, you see he gave me the back. All right. So when you're playing this guard, it's like here, and you notice I'm still on the elbows, things like that. If I need this, I'm here. If his hand comes in like here, I'm also here. Now I can start looking. This is gonna go into the last series we do, so this is gonna be perfect for that modified Peruvian. I'm gonna show you. So now I'm gonna be more like here. Look, this hand, there's somewhere in this hand fight of me being this structure that I'm gonna see an opportunity to slap his hand down, drop it, right? Right? So when I'm here, it's also the shoulders I play on. Shoulders and neck. This is the movement, right? So let's go a little bit. Hold on. It's like you ever seen the Kung Fu movies where they're like, snatch the fish out of the water? All right. Doesn't matter which side, you know, I'm here like this, okay? Boom, boom. See the hook? And then from here, collapse, I'll move right in. Now I can start my game.
Okay, I've been working like 3 jobs. Probably why I never see ya. Probably why I never have time for the fake friends that won't be ya. Oh God, I've been running now. Up early when the sun is out. Not setting out my own soul, but those real ones, they coming out. Oh look who's reaching out. Old friends wanna feature now. They don't work, so they need it free. Ooh, you reaching out from the west side of that old town, but there's no shows till I go down to the open mic. Show love to the real ones that know now. Some of y'all don't know now. In a couple months you gonna find out. Been blowing up from the underground and they stepping on and land mine now. And he knows it's my time now. Coming up, I'm on a climb now. Everybody claim they been bottom, but it's looking like they took a time out. Okay, I'm working on a Wednesday, then up again the next day. Some So-and-so is popping, man, I skip him like he leg day. Kick it like I'm Pele, I never care what they say. Put myself on Spotify, so every day my payday. That's right, I'm coming back like OJ, like a running back in his old days. Still rocking those OJs. My paychecks get a little bigger, but that don't change me or make me richer. Money come and the money go, but my guy's here and he's staying with you. Blowing up off the internet. All these haters need to introspect, cause they been hating while the rest love him. And I started going down their intellect, cause I've been a threat since day one. No money or bank funds, since y'all been saying you can do it better, but none of y'all ever made one. That realness, don't feel this, but I've been sick, that illness. I've been fresh like Will Smith since 94, man, I built this. Stressed out, X'd out, missed calls from my ex now, but I'm staying focused in the lab, baby. I don't need your calls or your text now. God say the boy blessed now. Who am I to say Rondo? And the way that I sell ticks, they been calling me Rondo. 23 in my prime though, finna ball like Lonzo. Go and tell everybody talking stage better be in that convo.
You know what my favorite thing to do is? Be in the worst possible position. Like mounted, arm being attacked, someone choking your neck, all at once. And then get out. And to see the look of frustration of what just happened. I had you. They're like, I had you. No, they didn't. Because then you get out. And that look of frustration. And then, you know, when the training session's done, what you see, someone like this, they're just like, no grip, no fight. Frustration.